As promised, here's my review for SH Figuarts Spider-Man, or Spider-Punk, action figure. I'll be calling him Hobie too since I already have the original Hobie here. I'm not a box collector person because duh, I'm here for the figures, so I usually just stash them away, but I must say, this is art. Alright, let's get him out of the box here. Always love unboxing Figuarts boxes, always feel so premium. As you can see here, I think the Figuarts unmasked head is better than the Marvel Legends one. Only because, yeah, of course, you have so much more detail. Holding this in my hand, you can feel that it's premium. The paint is so bright and detailed onto each of Hobie 2's clothes, like the undershirt, the jacket, and of course, the pants. One of the few key differences from the Marvel Legends is the pant paint. So much more personality with the painted stitches. Hobie 2's mohawk spikes are very thin. It varies from small and tall from front to back. Same with the jacket on his shoulders. Great sculpt work. As for range and articulation, it's what you expect from an SH Figuarts figure. Arms have great range, butterfly, and can go 360. I'm also just really glad he doesn't have the weird butt articulation from the other spider figures. And bicep articulation. Looking at you, SH Figuarts Homecoming and SH Figuarts Insomniac Spider-Man. Boots have toe articulation, hips and legs have great range, and the chest midsection articulation. A lot of words. Chest midsection articulation allows for good back and forth posing. And now onto the accessories. The guitar looks so much more better actually, wow, but it's actually really fragile. I think it's much more made for the photography side. I super glued the straps but it kept breaking, so I'm just gonna kit bash it with original Hobie's guitar. As for the additional swappable hands, here are some chill hands. There's just somewhat relaxed hands, some open hands, some thwipping hands, or you know, rock on hands, and these are the guitar gripping hands, left and right. Some fist hands. I'm gunning for a more lore accurate Hobie, so he will not be needing this. As you all know, he f***ed off. SH Figuarts Spider-Punk will be a great addition to anyone's action figure collection. Hobie 2 can either just vibe on your desk, vibe with your other action figures, and me personally, I'm trying to go to a concert with him, or I just don't know which or where to go. Thank you all so much for watching. With my top 6 action figure videos doing so well, I'll be doing more action figures from now on. I'll just be very busy due to work, but I still want to do this anyway. With that, here's a preview of my next video. Alright, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Alrighty, see ya, bye.